And welcome back to Waziko Painting Hub. In this video, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step on how to design an Easter fun game flyer in Photoshop. This tutorial is perfect for graphic designers, event planners, chat media teams, and Photoshop beginners who want to create eye-catchy design flyers for their programs and events. To improve your skills, design skills, Photoshop techniques, and creativity layouts ideas, follow along. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share for everybody to have impact on it. Thank you. Let's get into the Photoshop.
You carry me when some carry their God. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their God. You fought for me when some fight for the God. Jesus, you know they use me. Jehovah. love is kind. Your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Your love is kind. Your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. All your promises are yes, yeah, and amen. You're not a man, you never lie. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh, oh, oh. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Your love for me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Too much, oh, Jesus, you love me, oh, that you gave your life for me. What manner of love is this? What manner of love is this that you give it all for me, oh God? Jesus, you love me. You love me. You love me. Jesus, For as the deer pants for water, so my soul longs for you. Forever and ever, yes, my heart beats for you. For as the deer pants for water, so my soul longs for you. Forever and ever, yes, my heart beats for you. Something more than gold, I've got something more than gold. Something more than gold, I've got something more than gold. If all I've got is Jesus, I've got something more than gold. I'll tell it to the world, Jesus is more than gold. More than gold, more than gold. I've got something more than gold. I'll tell it to the world, Jesus is more than gold. More than gold, more than gold. I've got something more than gold. I'll tell it to the world, Jesus is more than gold. It's such an honor that you call me your own. Your love is unchangeable, keeps coming after me. Shepherd of my heart, I love how you love me. Hey. Treasure of my soul, I stand in awe of you. As the deer pants for water, so my soul longs for you. Forever and ever, yes, my heart beats for you. As the deer pants for water, so my soul longs for you, Jesus. Forever and ever, yes, my heart beats for you. Something more than gold, I've got something more than silver. Something more than life, I've got something more than riches. If all I've got is Jesus, I've got something more than gold. I'll tell it to the world, Jesus is more than gold. More than gold, more than gold. I've got something more than gold. More than gold, more than gold. Jesus is more than gold. Something more than gold. Something more than silver. The Spirit of the Lord within me is something more than gold. Something more than gold. Something more than silver. The Spirit of the Lord within me is something more than gold. More than gold, more than gold. I've got something more than gold. Tell it to the world, Jesus is more than gold.
Akakaya aka Jehovah nemema ọrụ ebube ya keneruari n'ebe m nọ isi ike ndụ ke na-adịghị ya tata aka ya aka Jehovah nemema aka ya aka Jehovah nemema ọrụ ebube ya keneruari n'ebe m nọ isi ike ndụ ke na-adịghị ya tata aka ya aka Jehovah n'ebe m nọ